Hello, my name is Radhakrishnan. You can remember me as Radha for short. I'm halfway around the globe. I'm coming from the Philippines, but I'm an Indian. I work as the team lead for this project as part of the Ernst Young consultancy. So we are management consultants to the entire CARD program, and I lead a team of 10 plus consultants to help the government to implement this program. So the CARD program is a very large program, complex program. It is meant to improve the economic conditions of the country, because the small and medium, the small developing nations, they have unique challenges, and the opportunities exist in terms of digitalization, whereby new jobs can be created, new business can be set up in this country. That's the whole purpose of this digital transformation project. And within that, the land transformation, the land system transformation is a very important component. As the land is a fixed commodity, right? It cannot be created. It's very important that the land transactions need to be managed as an asset, like you will manage any other asset. So this project is about standardizing and streamlining and making things efficient of all the land transactions. It has been going on for some time, but today we have assembled for a 3-day workshop to get different departments together to talk about what they do on the land transactions, what type of automation, digitization opportunities exist in each department, so that we let each department talk to each other and then try to create an integrated system. That's the purpose of this. To create this integrated system, we need to do many different things. It's not like a simple one system implementation. We have to do a chain of activities. The first one is we have to have a very good map. We need to identify the parcels of land, and then identify the parcels, attach the parcels to individual transactions. And this has to be done at the country level, right? And this has to be done digitally. Today we have that information somewhat, but they are all manual. They are all printed documents, and the maps are old, and therefore we are going to embark on a transformation of our own land maps first. And that is going to be one of the important discussions around this workshop. Why? Because that same information will be used by different departments for different purposes. For example, building permits, the facilities management will use that information differently. Agriculture, they will use it differently. The registration department, they will use it differently. That's why we are getting all these different department people to talk about what should be the data architecture, right? What should be the properties of this land information? That is one part of this workshop. So it is meeting of the mind to get all these departments to come and talk to each other about cross-cutting problems and opportunities. The second part is the whole registration process, search of deeds, identifying before you transfer the land, you need to do a lot of searches. How can we make these searches public so that the information is available online for everybody to see? The third part is the whole of the land transfer activities, like you lease the land, you alter the boundaries of the land legally, and you sell the land. All these different transactions, they are done by different departments. Different approvals are needed. Again, we are getting all these different departments together to talk about what their role will be. How can we streamline this operation so that at the end of the day, the citizens of St. Vincent and the Grenadines, they get an efficient land transaction process. So this is a meeting of minds, at the end of which we'll be proposing a very simple pilot system where the concept of the integrated system will be proposed and discussed by all these departments, and then that will lead subsequently into scoping of the project, getting the vendors to implement this project, and also make sure that necessary land reforms are applied. There's a policy and legal component involved, but this workshop, we're not going to talk about that in deep, but that's going on in separately. So we are going to take this information and align it with the policy and legal changes information. And then this project itself is an overall land reform project. This is a very important, today's workshop is a very important component of this to get all these departments together.